then I came to YIVO. A friend of mine was giving up a job, and she asked if I would want it, and I said sure. And I came. I was introduced by Weinreich's secretary, who was then Lucy Davidovich, and they engaged me. And little by little, I became his secretary. He started to dictate to me. I was very good in Yiddish, and he'd go very slowly at first, but then I made my own system of speed writing, and I was able to take his dictation in Yiddish and English. And later on, he called me his assistant. So here I was started working on Washington's birthday, February 22nd, 1944. And in 1948, 46, I became his official secretary. And in 1948, we were given scholarships. It was the first time that any university was giving courses in Yiddish linguistics and folklore, and they invited Max Weinreich. And the YIVO gave 12 scholarships to people who were graduate students. And we went to UCLA, and he gave these wonderful courses. And the course in folklore I was especially interested in, and he had songs in it, and I sort of reconnected with the Yiddish songs that I knew from before. And I became very fascinated by the subject and about the work that the former people, students and researchers of YIVO and Vilna had done. So I thought I would sort of continue that. I would go into that field. Yessel was there too then. He was one of the scholarship recipients. And when I came back, we started the club, the Y.L. Khan Folklore Club at YIVO, and we published 3 magazines of newly collected folklore material, and I had the folk songs there. And I wrote from where they came and who wrote them, and I wrote about variants and how they resembled each other or how they contrasted with each other. And that's the story of my connection with YIVO.